What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 39. Today's video is going to be another pocket options video. And today's video, I'm going to go for the tournament, right? And on this tournament, I'm going to try this new approach. So yesterday, I tried this new approach with only $10, and I managed to go all the way to $200. Okay, let me just open this real quick so we can see. Maybe we cannot see the past trades. Yes, unfortunately cannot see the past trades, but yes, I managed to go all the from $10 all the way to $220 or something like that, okay, guys? And that was really impressive. So what I'm going to work on right now is try to get the same results over and over again. So once I'm confident that I can bring those results up, I will switch it to my real account, okay, guys? But yeah, in today's video, I'm going to try this new approach, but with tournaments, okay? So I'm going to go for these $1 tournament. I got 35 minutes to go, so hopefully I will have enough time. Let's have it. So the first one I have 345. The number 10 has 51, so hopefully I will have enough time to make some bucks. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So let me quickly set up my settings, and then we're gonna start looking for moving average, like looking for pairs to trade. Okay, so let me just set this up real quick. So yeah, basically I've been using the same strategy. Okay, it's always best to master one strategy instead of flicking strategies around, and that's what I essentially been doing. So I'm been sticking to just one strategy. So stick to that strategy, master that strategy. Once you are 100% comfortable with that strategy, okay, or your winning success rate is higher than losing, then you can try to apply new strategies. Okay, until then, oh, I got a flat line over here. Until then, don't switch strategies all the time. Okay, so we got 110 right there, 10%. So we're going to invest 10% in each trade. Okay, so 10%. So let's look for our first trade. And here we are on our first trade right here. Let me just take a few trades while this coming down, and I'm going to explain why I decided to take a trade on this one going down. Okay, so place two trades right there. So if we draw some lines over here, we'll be able to see why I decided to take some two trades over there. So let's say that over here we have our local bottom. Take another trade over here. And over here, where's the chart? Let me just pay attention to the chart and explain to you shortly. Right there. So let's say over here we have the local top, okay? So every time the price hit the bottom, bounce back up, tried to come down, but it was up, okay? And then it was rejected down to the side again, and then try one more time to hit this top again, okay? And then from there, it was rejected. So from here, we can see that the price is reacting. So we won that trade, the first trade that we placed. So let's see if we can score the second trade. So the second trade is clear. So hopefully these two trades are going to be cleared as well, right? Let me just save this one right here so we can see it better, right? But as you can see, the price is not going to go all the way down like it happened over here, okay? The price didn't go all the way down, and seems like the price is not going to go all the way down, even though MACD, we got a crossover and we have a few red bars, okay? Seems like price is going to have a continuation to the upside. Okay, so we lost that one. We got 5 seconds for the last one. And seems like we're gonna lose this one as well. Okay, not a problem. So seems like price will have a continuation to the upside, because I thought price from here would come all the way down, but it did not. Okay, cool, no problem. So two four four trades, we won two, we lost two. Okay, so essentially lost 1 point something. Okay, No worries. So we're gonna keep this one, keep an eye on this one. In the meantime, I've got 3 more trades. Okay, so this one we can see a pattern over here going up, but the pattern is getting broken. So potentially this one is gonna go down. So I'm gonna take a trade over here. As you can see right here, we got the crossover way back, and lots of red bars, more red bars than green bars. So that is indicating that potentially the price, the trend will change, and the price will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so if that's the, usually that's what happens. So if we, let me have a look over here, another one here. If we trace a line over here, where is it? If we put a line over here, we can call this the local bottom. We can call this one right here the local bottom, right over here. We can call this the local bottom, and if the price have a continuation to the downside, potentially the price can come all the way down here. Okay, so we got a few seconds to go. Let's see how the price will, how we're gonna, how this trade's gonna play out. So we're gonna take another trade over here. Still believe the price is gonna go down. So I'm taking a few trades over here. If I lose it, well, so be it. Okay, so we lost a few trades. Price is not doing what it's supposed to do, so we lost 2 trades there. Okay, so let's see what's up. Another one here. Another one here. Okay, we only got $8 left, so let's go all in. So we won that trade. 35 seconds to go. Price is not really going down as expected. It's taking its time, and potentially we'll have a recovery and continuation to the upside. If that's the case, we are going to get screwed, okay? We're going to be left over with 27 tokens. So we got 15 seconds on the first trade, 10 seconds. Let's see how it goes. So if we cleared all these trades, we're going to make 96 tokens. If not, we will be close to broke. Okay, so we clear that one, we clear that one, clear that one. Okay, so we got 2 more, 13 seconds and 16 seconds. So we got 85 right now. So hopefully we're going to clear these 2. Price is really close to our entries. We clear that one. Okay, we are in the green, and we clear that one. Cool. Okay, so we got 123. So we're going to do right now, we're going to go 10%, which is 1234. Okay, essentially that's what I do. But I still believe that, as you can see right here, is doing lower highs. Okay, so we're going to have a continuation to the downside most likely. Okay, like I said, potentially the price will come all the way down. So in the meantime, let this develop a little bit more, and let's have a look around and let's see what's up. Okay, this one, we got lots of red bars over here, and also we can see that it's on a downtrend. At the same time, I cannot really see a clear pattern over here in this one. That's why I decided to trace a line over here and just let it be to see what happens. Okay, so this one right here, we got a downtrend. Okay, so it's pumping a little bit, but potentially will come down and meet this line right here. So let this one develop. At the same time, it went outside this line, and potentially the trend might change. And this one right here, the one that we got caught out over here, as you can see, is coming down and potentially will come down all the way here. Okay, so we got this line right here. So if it breaks below this line right here, potentially we will see the price coming all the way down here. Okay, so in the meantime, let me flick around, let me see what's up, and then let's continue the trading. Okay, y'all, so we got another trade over here. Let me show you why I decided to take a trade over here. So we can call this one the local top right here. So we draw a line over here. We can see that the local top has been reached from the previous local top over here. We can see that. And then from here, it has been rejected. Okay, so from here, we can see, the price coming down. So I decided to take a trade. I would like to catch a trade around here, but I just found this trade. So, as soon as I saw it, I was like, okay, let me take a trade on this one because potentially the price will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so I just took another trade over there. And if we save this one, we can see the score right there. Okay, so let's see how this trade will develop. Okay, so we can see crossover on the MACD. We can see lots of red bars. So that's a really good sign, indication that price potential will have a continuation to the downside. Also, candles are closing below the 7 EMA. Okay, so potentially price will continue to push down, and we can call it the local bottom around here. So if we call this the local bottom, we can say that price potentially will come all the way here to the local bottom, because we also have this one right here. Okay, so if you draw another line over here, we can say that price, every time it comes to this area, he reacts. As you can see, reacted, and also reacted on the other side, reacted. Okay, so potentially price will come all the way down to this line, and from here might react to the upside or have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so you just gotta wait and see. So we got a few seconds to go, so let's see if we can clear these two trades. Okay, we got 145. We got 6 seconds on the last trade. And we cleared that one. Very good. Okay, so we're gonna go back to 10% now. And next trade is gonna be 1688. At the moment, we are in position number 16. Okay, so let me flick around. Let's find the next trade. So we got 18 minutes, so we gotta speed up this process because we need to score in the first 10 places in order to secure the rewards. Okay, otherwise we're not going to win anything. Okay, but this serves as practice. Okay, even if I don't win this tournament, it serves as practice. Okay, this one right here, it's into mines. The signal is weak over here in the MACD. Okay, so but we're still going to keep an eye on this one. Okay, it's coming to this line right here. Let's see what happens. So if the price shows indication that reversal and price decides to go back up and test this resistance level right here, we're going to take a trade on a higher position. Okay, we're going to keep an eye on this one. Okay, guys, same scenario as the previous trade. Okay, so we got the local top over here, and the price came and met this local top again. And from here, we can see there lots of red bars. That means the buyers are getting weak. And potentially we're going to see a crossover on the MACD. So hopefully we can have enough time to lock these two trades in. And from here, we're going to be in profit. So let me just save these trades so we can see the results over there. Okay, so hopefully we're going to be able to lock these two. Okay, so at the moment at this time, so what time is it? 9:43. Not much is happening within the markets. Okay, it's very hard to find decent trades. So these trades, the trend is not really the best ones. I like to get good trends, like good confirmation trends, but at the moment we don't see. I'm not finding any good like trends, like strong trends. So we gotta take what we got. We gotta play with what we got, right? So we lost that first trade. So hopefully we're gonna score the second trade. And we have 40 seconds for the third trade, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see right here, lots of red bars. MACD is about to cross over, and potentially the price will come all the way down. So we can call this one over here the local bottom, right there. So we can call this one the local bottom, and potentially the price will come all the way down here. We can see the crossover, lots of red bars. So this trade is secure. Okay, 10 seconds to go. So we're on position number 19. So this one was a good catch right here at the top. Okay, cool. So 183. So let's reset this one for 10% again. And essentially that's what I've been doing. That's what I did yesterday, and that's how I went from $10 all the way to $200. But it was demo account, okay guys, keep that in mind. I was practicing, testing, and see how it goes. And it did go well. So I'm going to try a few more times, probably 5 times. If I manage to do it 5 times in a row, then I will, this one is reacting to this level. So potentially we're going to go higher on this one. So let's see how it goes. So it's really reacting, but we got a crossover. We got some green bars over here. So potentially we'll come over here to this local top. So let's take a trade. Let's take a trade on this one so we don't miss the opportunity. In the meantime, let me just draw a line over here. So we can say that potentially the price will come over here to this local top. We'll test this local top again. Okay, so let's call this a support level. And from here, the price potentially will come to this local top. Okay, you can see lots of confirmations on the MACD. You can see green bars, you can see the crossover, and the bars are on top of the 7 EMA. So that's all good signs. And we also on the uptrend, as you can see that here, 100 EMA. So all is good, and we got signs that potentially the price will come up. Okay, but sometimes it does not happen. Okay, keep that in mind. Sometimes the price just simply change direction, and yeah, we lose those trades. So it doesn't work all the time, but it works most of the times. Okay, so price is reacting still, but I still believe that the price will have a continuation to the upside. So we cleared the first trade. Very good. So let's see how it goes with this second trade. So hopefully we got the we're going to clear this one too, and we're going to be able to be in a higher position. Okay, we need to score at least, we need to be at least in a position number 10 to earn $5. Okay, so if you starting the pocket options and you want to practice, or you're not 100% confident about your strategy, doing tournaments is good because you start with only $1, okay, and you will start with 100 tournament tokens. Okay, so that's going to give you experience, is going to give you practice, and if you score the top 10 places, you can win a prize. Okay, so we got that one. Okay, 216. So let's reset this one for 10%. Okay, 10% is 2167. Yeah, that's correct. So let's have a look around. So position number 17, we got 12 minutes to go. So we need to speed up. So this one, as you can see right here, broke the trend. It's slowly going down, but it's a risky trade because sometimes it goes down, sometimes it goes up. It's a risky trade. So for these kind of trades, I would have to place like 3 minutes trade. Because so from here, so we got one, well, let's say from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. So it would be like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so that's a long trade, and we don't have much time left. Okay, so this one right here is the one that we trade right now. So let's extend this line. So the price is really reacting to this level over here. So let's see what's happening. Okay, this one I thought it would come all the way down, but seems like it's forming a new trend. And the reason why I didn't place a trade on this one when it was around here was because I was like, the price is doing higher highs and higher lows. 1, 2, and 3 right here. So when the trade was over here, I was like, maybe I should not take this trade because it's doing higher lows. Okay, and I was right. Okay, I didn't take that trade, and because the price didn't come all the way down. Okay, if we draw a line over here, or 2 lines actually, we can see that a new pattern is forming. Okay, we can see over here that a new pattern is forming, and we have to keep an eye on that right there. Okay, so as you can see, we had one pattern over here, but now the chart is forming a new pattern. Okay, so this one was going down, and this one potentially will go up. Okay, so let's see how the price is going to react to this level over here. So if the level, if we have a continuation to the downside, this pattern potentially will be broken. But if the price comes up, that's confirmation that the price is forming a new pattern. Okay, so let it roll and let's see what's up. Let me extend this one. Sometimes you gotta lock it because sometimes it moves. Okay, so this one right here, is not coming all the way down. So it's reacting to this level over here. So we're gonna keep an eye on this one. In the meantime, we are going to move on. So this one is trying to pump. Okay, with lots of green bars over here in the MACD. At the same time, um, the signal is not really strong. Okay, so let's see what's happening. So this one right here. Right, let me pause the video. As soon as I find another trade, I will continue the video. Okay, guys, I decided to place another trade right here. Oh, damn it. Because we can see that the price was trending on this side, right? But then, the price starts to consolidate, doing lower swings, smaller swings, okay? And we can see that the lower lows has been broken. Okay, potentially the price supposed to stop over here, but it failed to stop over here on this purple line. And from here, I strongly believe that the price will have a continuation to the downside and potentially will come all the way here to this local bottom. And if that's the case, we're going to take advantage of this price action. And potentially we are going to score these two trades. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So we got a crossover on the MACD. We got a bearish candle over here and lots of red bars on the histogram. So potentially these two trades going to be a win-win. Okay, and we're going to make 83 tokens profit. Okay, and currently we're in position number 15. Okay, so we just need 5 more places to go, and yeah, to secure our entry, okay, to the top 10. Okay, so let's have a look the next trade. Okay, guys, time is running out, so I decided to increase my trade amount. Instead of 10%, go for 20%, because I'm still in position number 14, and if I don't boost my accounts, I will be losing this tournament. Okay, so decided to take a trade on this one, even though it's not going the way I really want it. Okay, I still believe that this one will have a continuation to the upside, and we'll be able to score on this one. But as you can see right here, it's going the opposite way, and seems like we are going to be out of the game. Okay, so we placed all in on this trade, so let's save this one and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, clear. At the moment we have nothing, so 0. So the first trade is going to finish in 10 seconds, and the first trade was all the way here. Second trade, 13 seconds, and MACD showing lots of red bars. So let's see how it goes. Price is really struggling to push up. Okay, potentially we're going to lose this one. So let's see what's going on. Okay, 9 seconds on the third trade. So price is really struggling, and we're not going to clear that one. We missed that one. 5 seconds. Let's see if we can clear it. We cleared it. Okay, cool. 10 seconds. Let's see how it goes. 9 seconds. Keep pushing up. Let's go. Let's go. Up, 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 up. So we got 4 minutes, I mean. Boom. We cleared that one. 296. Okay. We're gonna go 25%. 25%. So we need to find a few more trades so we can secure this tournament. Position number 15 at the moment. So this one is having a recovery and potentially going to have a continuation to the upside. So I think I'm going to take a trade on this one. Yeah, I'm going to take it right there. We only got 3 minutes to go, so there is not much to think about. So hopefully price will have a continuation to the upside and we will be able to clear this one. So let's have a look around in the meantime. The pairs that we got over here. Okay, take another one here, and we're gonna be all in right there. Okay, so now we either win or lose this tournament. Okay, and seems like we are going to lose because the price is reacting to this purple bar, purple line, and I thought the price would have a continuation to the upside, but over here seems like is where the price decided to change and go the opposite way. Red bars are starting to form. MACD is about to have a crossover. So this happens when we do rushed decisions. Okay, so because time is running out, I decided to rush into the conclusion that the price will have continuation to the upside. Okay, without doing a full technical analysis. So I lost those two trades, and I'm going to lose these two trades as well because price is definitely going to have a continuation to the downside. Okay, and this is going to be the end of this tournament. Okay, so that just to shows that don't rush into making rush decisions. Make sure you do the proper TA, technical analysis, before you place your trade. And as you can see right here, I lost them all. Okay, so this tournament is done. So let's go over to the real money. Okay, and let's play the real deal. We got our 5% calculator right here. So currently we are on the day number 2. Okay, so from 239, 238 right now, because we spent $1 in the tournament, we need to make 11.97 cents to clear the 5% or reach 251. So let's try to reach 255, okay, to speed up the process to achieve the $500 in 17 days. Okay, so let's have a look around and let's see if we can find our first opportunity. Right, guys, so here we are, first trade of the day. Okay, so I chose this one. As you can see right here, it was on a pattern, and then it pumped, and then from here we can see the crossover on the MACD, lots of red bars, and then we can see that it's doing lower highs. Okay, over here I thought, okay, let me just wait a few more candles to see what's going to happen. I thought the price would have a continuation to the upside after touching this level over here, but failing to have a continuation, and then we got this red bar over here. I was like, yeah, price most likely is going to continue to go down. Okay, so potentially price will come over here to this area, and if that's the case, we will be able to secure these two trades, okay, and make profit. So let's see how it goes. Probably a few seconds to go, 15 seconds. So yeah, the first two trades of the day. Payout is not that great, 82%, but it's better than nothing, right? So we cleared those two. Okay, so the target for today is 255. Okay, so first two trades of the day, 255. So let's go around and let's look for the next trades. And here we are, the second trade of the day. Okay, so this one right here, we can see that it's in a pattern. So let's take another trade over here. We can see that it's in a pattern between these two lines over here. So it's the top, top, and potentially now is gonna come over here to the bottom. And if that's the case, we will be able to make profits. We can see a crossover on the MACD. We can see lots of red bars. So that's a strong indication that potentially the price will have a continuation to the downside. And it might be a good opportunity to take a lower entry. Okay, so hopefully we're going to be able to secure these two trades and clear these two profits. Okay, let me take another one over here. So we have 20 seconds on the first one, 29 seconds on the second one, and 1 minute on the third one. So let's see how it goes. Price is really reacting to this area. 8 seconds. Hopefully going to clear the first one. Yes, first one is clear. So 9 seconds for the second trade. Da-da-da. That one is done. Okay, 35 seconds for the last trade. Price potential will come all the way down to this green area. So if that's the case, we will be able to secure all these 3 trades. Okay, last 10, 20 seconds, I mean. Okay, let's see how it goes. So strong bearish momentum, lots of red bars, crossover right there. We can see that the price is doing lower lows and lower highs. which is good. That's what we want in this situation. Okay, 5 seconds. Let's hope that we can clear this one too, and we will be at 250, 248. Okay, good, good, good. So let's have a look around for the next few trades. Okay, guys, another trade over here. So this one potentially will have a continuation to the upside. As you can see right here, we got the pattern. Okay, it's trading between these two lines over here. So we hit the bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. And now potentially the price will have a continuation to the upside. We can see lots of green bars on the MACD Instagram, and MACD is about to do in a crossover, and bars are closing above the 7 EMA. So that's a good sign that potentially the price will have a continuation to the upside. So hopefully that will be the case. We'll be able to secure these two trades, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So we got 20 seconds on the first trade, 29 seconds on the second trade. So hopefully, price will continue to go up. As you can see right here, lots of green bars, crossover. So that's good, 10 seconds. So we're on the final stretch. And let's hope that we can clear these two trades. Okay, so the first one, it's done. Second one, we got 5 seconds. And it's also clear. Okay, so we just need 3 more bucks to achieve our daily target. Oh, not daily target. So the daily target has been achieved already, which is 251. Okay, but like I said, I want to get 255. Okay, 255, just to make a round number. So let's see how it goes. So let me look for the next trade. Okay, guys, so potentially last trade of the day. So we can see that we are in a down triangle. Okay, guys, so it's doing lower highs. Okay, and it's also doing lower lows. So potentially the price will come now to this green lane right here. And yeah, so hopefully that will be the case, and we will be able to clear this trade as well. So we can see on the MACD a crossover, lots of red bars, which is good. That's what we want in this scenario. Price is really reacting to this area, so it might be a tough trade. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so we probably have 27 seconds to go, and definitely going to be a tough trade. Price is really reacting to this area. So let's see. We still got the crossover, still got lots of red bars, but yeah, it's going to be a close one. So we got 10 seconds. Let's see how it goes. Final stretch, 5 seconds. Boom, we cleared that one. So just to give you an idea, guys, so I started trading at 1026, right? So 1026, 1028, 1029, 1035, 1036, and then 1102, okay? So it took me nearly 30 minutes to find the next trade, okay, guys? So now I don't trade all the time. So I just look for the right opportunity, do the proper, technical analysis, trying to make sure and trying to do my best to be as close as to 100% sure on my trades, so I can, score the trades like this. Okay, that's why it takes some time. So this one was a double trade. So as you can see, same pairs, right? Double trade. So this one was just one trade because I wasn't too sure about this one. As you can see right here, price is still reacting to this area, but we got lucky. Okay, like I said, it was a close trade. So let's have a look at the charts that I was looking at. So Apple potentially going to have a continuation to the downside, so it's doing lower highs, as you can see right here, and also lower lows. So this is going to be a good opportunity to go low. If we push this line up, we can see that there was a pattern back then, okay, when we start trading, and then the price pumped, went outside the pattern, and now is going down, okay. Let me clear this one. Next one up, we have this one. We had this pattern over here, and then it formed a little pattern right here, and then came close to the bottom, and now it's pumping back up. Okay, next one up, we had this one. It was trading on this one and then decided to trade on this one, and now it's trading is reacting to this a purple line. Next one up, we had this one over here. We got a triangle, we had a breakout to the upside, and from there we had a huge dump. Okay, unfortunately I missed this dump because I was on the lookout for new opportunities. Okay, but we had a crossover right there over here on top. Okay, and I could have take advantage and try to score a low position on this from here to here. I did miss that one, and then because I was scrolling around looking for trades, and then from here to here, I also missed that opportunity. Okay, but yeah, no problem. We reached our target 255, so I am happy with that. So this one right here was trending between these two lines right here, and then it started to form lower highs, as you could see right here, and we had a breakout. Okay, cool. That's why it's very important to be able to read charts. Okay, so this one was trending between these two lines. Okay, and still trending. Okay, feels like now it's going to be a slow journey all the way to this top right here, but you can see. So if you draw a line over here, we can see that the price is slowly but surely going up. Okay, as you can see right here, price is slowly going up. So for this kind of trade, you probably would have to go for like 3 or 5 minutes, to give enough time for the price, probably even more minutes. Okay, so probably let's say 10 minutes, probably 10 minutes. Okay, so around here is where the trade would end, and probably the price would be around here. Okay, guys, so that would be a very long time. So 12 minutes just for one trade. Okay, so not my kind of thing. So um, I'd rather take a shorter trade. Okay, so next one up, we have the Pfizer. Okay, Pfizer was trading between these two lines, top and bottom, but I realized that it was doing local highs, as you can see right here, and still doing local highs. Okay, so from here now, we're either going to see a breakout to the upside or a fake out. Okay, a dump, right? So everything indicates that we're going to see a dump, a continuation to the downside. We can see the crossover on the MACD, lots of red bars over here. So yeah, potentially this one is going to continue to go down. Okay, but I reached my target for the day, so I'm not going to touch any more trades for today. So today's trades, I'll only use my 1%, which now is 0.93% of my total balance. Okay, 238 in every single trade. Okay, so next one up is going to be 1%, which is 255. Okay, we had this one over here, so it was in a slight downtrend. I wanted to trade, so when I realized, came across this trade, I was here. Okay, obviously, because this trade was going on a downtrend, I didn't like to go against the trend. Okay, so I decided to let it pump, and then over here, I thought, okay, this now is gonna reverse. But as you can see right here in the MACD, the signal started to become weak. Okay, very weak signal. So I was like, let me pause this one and wait to see what happens. Okay, but now seems like the price is have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so potentially the price will come over here to this line. Okay, so as you can see right here, we got the crossover on the MACD right there on top, and also over here was the top of the local high. Okay, and from there price decided to come down and down and down. Okay, so potentially price will come all the way to this line right here. Okay, and lastly, we have this one over here. This one was a weird one, so I was expecting the price to come and meet this local top and have a reverse to the downside, but it did not happen. Okay, so it is what it is. Also, I realized that the signal was weak on this one, so I decided to put a pause on this one and not to take a trade on this one. I'm glad I did because I didn't lose funds on this one. So let me just quickly show you my trading history of the day. So it was 100% again. And here we are, guys. So today's trade, 8 trades, 100% profitable trades. Trading profit 1668. Okay, max trade 238. So I maintained that 1%. Okay, so I'm happy with today's results. Let me go over to the Excel sheet and update. How much we got? 255.09. Let's go over here. So the target was supposed to be 251, but we made 255.09. What? Enable editing. 255.09. So next target is going to be 267. So we're going to round this up to 270. Okay. So as you can see right here, um, actually, it's not going to be 17 days. It's going to be 16 days. Okay. Because on the day 16, we're going to have, so potentially going to have the balance of 481. And if we score the 5% on that day, we're going to be at 505. Okay, so it'll take us 6 days. Okay, but let's call it 17 days because weekends the markets are very low. So I usually don't trade during the weekend, but yesterday I did. No, not yesterday, the day before I did, and I managed to secure another 5%. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's call it 17 days just to be on the safe side. Sometimes, some days I will not be trading. That being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.